Come check out our new Sany SY50. This Sany SY50 comes with dual hydraulic ports on each side of the arm. Therefore, you can add a rotating grapple if you want to do rock work, log work, any kind of landscaping job, or just need to pick up some bigger stuff. The SY50 comes equipped with a zero tail swing, meaning when you turn all the way to the left or right, it will not stick out past your tracks. So you don't have to worry about hitting something behind you. This excavator is also equipped with a 37.1 horsepower Yanmar engine. Stop by Lano Equipment to talk to any of us guys to see if you want to buy one or rent one.